Welcome to our channel. Adding Showtime to your Paramount Plus subscription creates a comprehensive streaming bundle. Follow these steps to add Showtime. Step 1. Visit ParamountPlus.com and sign in to your Paramount Plus account using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account or Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription or Plan Details to view your current Paramount Plus plan. Step 4. Look for add-ons or upgrade options within your subscription settings. Step 5. Find Showtime in the list of available add-ons or bundle options. Step 6. Click Add Showtime or Learn More to view details about what's included and the additional monthly cost. Step 7. Review the combined pricing for the Paramount Plus with Showtime bundle, which is typically less expensive than subscribing to both services separately. Step 8. Click Add to Plan or Subscribe to add Showtime to your existing Paramount Plus subscription. Step 9. Confirm your updated billing amount and payment method. The additional charge for Showtime will be added to your monthly bill. Step 10. Wait for confirmation that Showtime has been successfully added to your account. Step 11. Access Showtime content immediately through the Paramount Plus app or website. Showtime shows and movies will appear in your content library. Step 12. Browse the dedicated Showtime section to find exclusive series, movies, and sports content now included with your subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.